Hi students, Class 8, Chapter 3, Algebra. Here we are going to see that multiplication of algebraic expression. When we are multiplying, first we have to see the symbols and then first multiply the symbol and then you go to the terms. For example, in our lower classes we have already multiplied, that is minus 5 into 2. First we have to multiply the symbols. Minus into plus is minus and 5 2s are 10. In this way you have to multiply, then you didn't mistake anywhere, right? So when you are multiplying, first check the symbols, first multiply the symbol and then multiply the factors, right? Here we have the basics of the symbols. That is the same symbol means we have the plus for when we are multiplying, that is same symbol. In the first factor we have same symbol means the first factor we have plus and then another factor we have plus. While we are multiplying we get plus symbol itself. And then the first factor we have minus is, and second factor also we have minus. Minus into minus we have plus. These symbols are called like symbol or the same symbol. Like symbol or like signs, right? But different symbols. Different symbol. That is unlike sign or unlike symbols. That is first one we have plus is multiple with minus, we get minus symbol. And also first one factor we have negative symbol is multiple with plus factor, minus into plus also we get minus. So when we look the same symbol, put plus when we are multiplying, right? When we see the different symbols like that plus and minus and plus, put the minus symbol while we are multiplying. This is the basic in multiplication, right? And we know that multiplication is nothing repeated of addition, right? Multiplication is nothing repeated of addition. For example, let me take it as 5 into 2x. Either we can use the symbol like multiplication symbol or we can use 5 into 2x. That is a dot. It is a dot, also a symbol for multiplication, or otherwise we can use the symbol as 5 into 2x. This bracket is the product bracket, right? So it means you have to multiply. See, multiplication, when we are multiplying, multiple the numerical coefficient only first and then remaining we have to take that 5 2s are 10 and then x, 10x. I already told you multiplication is the repeated of addition. 5 times you have to write 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x and then plus 2x. If you add the coefficient of x, 2 plus 2 4, 6, 8, 10. And then how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. You do not add the variables, right? First we have to multiply only the coefficients while we are adding. Next we see the multiplication of monomials. See, multiplication of two or more monomials. Monomial means we know that is a single term, that is only one term. For example, let me take that 2 terms, that is 2 monomial terms. One of the monomial term is 3x square, another one is 4x cube. Here we can say monomial into monomial, right? Monomial into multiplication of monomial into monomial. If you want to multiply this 3x square into 4x cube, well, we can use a symbol multiplication or we can use the bracket like this. Now first we have to multiply the coefficient of x square and x cube, only the numerical coefficient, right? Then 3 4s are 12 and then here we have x square, here we have x cube. We have already studied about the law of exponent. By the law of exponent, when the base are equal, it is in the multiplication, then we can add the powers. By this condition, when the base both have x, it is in the multiplication, means that is the product form, means we can add the power 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, that is 12 x power 5. Only the same variables power only we have to add, different variables should not be added, right? So this is the answer. Or other way, we can do the same sum like this also. Here I took it. Just multiple this term, that is 3 into 4. Take the numerical coefficient separately and the variables separately. This is the another method. We get the same answer, 3 4s are 12, and when we multiply this, we get x power 5. Next we see the multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. We know that polynomial means more than 2 terms. 2 or 3 terms we call it as a polynomial. The polynomial is multiple by a monomial. Let me take it as example that 2x square is the monomial and the polynomial is 3x square minus 5x plus 8. Now we want to multiply these two. How you have to multiply this? That is 2x square into 3x square minus 5x plus 8. While we are multiplying this outside term, if you take inside the bracket, each and every term you have to multiply. That is the proper multiplication. So when we are taking the outside terms into the inside bracket, each and every term should be multiplied by the same term. That is 2x square is multiple with 3x square. Here we have minus symbol, so I put minus. Here we have 2x square into 5x. Either we can use the symbol or use the bracket. And then here we have the plus 2x square plus 8. Sorry, into 8. Now first multiply the coefficients. 2 3s are, that is a constant factors. We call it as factors as only the numerical factors. 2 into 3 is 6. And by the law of exponent, both base having the x and it is in the multiplication, then add the power, that is x power 4 minus 2 5s are, multiple the numerical factor. 2 5s are 10, x square into x. Here simply we say x means we have the power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, that is x cube, plus 2 8s are 16. Here we have x square only. So this is the answer. This is a way to multiply a polynomial by a monomial. So when you take the monomial inside the bracket, each and every term should be multiple. Next we see the multiplication of two binomials. That is binomial into another binomial. Binomial means we know that there is two terms. See, we take it as example, one of this 2a plus 3b, 5a plus 4b. Now we want to multiply this term, means just take the two binomial terms, 2a plus 3b into 5a plus 4b. We have two ideas to multiply the term. Just we take the first one with the second bracket and then second term with the second bracket. See here, 2a into 5a plus 4b. Here we have the plus symbol, right? Plus 3b into 5a plus 4b. As usual, when we are taking the outside factors inside to the bracket, means each and every term should be multiple, right? They should be multiple with 5a and 4b. That is 2a into 5a plus 2a into 4b. Here we have plus. Now multiply the same term as it is. 3b into 5a plus 3b into 4b. Now the numerical factors, 2 5s are 10, a into a. Here we have a power 1, here also we have a power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, that is a square, plus 2 4s are 8, and then here we have A, here we have B. A and B should not be multiple, as it is we have treated A and B. Plus 3 5s are 15 AB, plus 3 4s are 12 B into B. Here we have power 1, here we have power 1. Both the variables are same, right? So B square. Now see, here we have 8 AB, here we have 15 AB. The variables are same here, AB, AB. Now we can add this numerical factors, that is 10 A square plus 8 plus 15 is 23 AB plus 12 B square. One of the method, or we use the another method here. The another method is nothing but the first term you take multiple with each and every term, and then second term you have to take and multiple with each and every term of the second binomial, right? The first binomial, each term should be taken and multiple with each and every term of the second binomial. See, for the first and the second type, instead of writing this step, instead of writing except this step, we directly get this answer from this step. Let's check it. 2 into 5A is plus 2A into 4B. The first term is completed. Now here we have plus 3B into 5B, sorry 5A plus 3B into 4B. Now check this. This step is equal to here, right? Except you avoiding this step only, the another method. This is the way you are going to multiple of two binomials. So strictly how to follow these steps and methods. Thank you, students.